Stop! Don't buy a motherboard before watching this. What's up, gamers and creators? If you're on the hunt for a budget-friendly motherboard that can handle high-performance gaming and graphic design without breaking the bank, then stick around. Today, we're counting down the top 5 motherboards for Intel processors under $150. We're talking about that sweet spot where you get the most bang for your buck without compromising on performance. So, whether you're rocking a 12th Gen Alder Lake CPU or planning a future upgrade to the 13th Gen Raptor Lake, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Alright, kicking things off at number 5, we've got the ASRock B660M Pro RS. Now don't let the Pro fool you, this bad boy is priced like a budget board but packs some serious punch. We're talking about a solid micro ATEX form factor, perfect for those compact builds where space is at a premium. You're still getting PCIe 4.0 support, which means you can slap in a super-fast NVMe SSD and experience loading times so fast, it'll feel like you're warping through time. And speaking of storage, the B660M Pro RS has got you covered with multiple M2 slots. This board also boasts a rock-solid power design, crucial for gamers and designers who push their systems to the limit. Coming in at around $145, the ASRock B660M Pro RS is a killer deal for anyone looking for high performance at a low cost. It's the perfect foundation for a budget-friendly gaming rig or creative workstation. Sliding into the number 4 spot, we've got the Gigabyte B660M DS3HX DDR4. This motherboard is an absolute beast for the price, packing in a ton of features. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, plus PCIe 4.0 slots for the latest graphics cards and NVMe SSDs, dual M2 SSD slots for super fast storage. All this for around $150, making it a fantastic option. Taking the number 3 spot is the MSI Pro B660 MA Wi-Fi DDR4. This motherboard is an awesome choice for gamers and creators looking for a solid mid-tier option that balances performance, features, and affordability. It's a micro ATEX board, so it's perfect for those who want a more compact build without sacrificing too much in terms of features. You get Wi-Fi 6 for blazing fast wireless connectivity, PCIe 4.0 support for taking advantage of the latest graphics cards and SSDs, and full support for DDR4 memory. MSI has a reputation for building rock-solid motherboards, and this one is no exception. It's priced at about $155, which puts it slightly above our $150 budget. But trust me, the extra $5 are totally worth it for the peace of mind and performance that this board provides. Alright, coming in hot at number 2, we've got the Asus Prime B660 Plus D4. Now this one's for all you power users out there, the gamers and creators who demand the absolute best performance from their rigs. Unlike the previous contenders, the Prime B660 Plus D4 is a full-fledged ATX motherboard, which means you've got more room for expansion slots, larger heat sinks, and overall better airflow. This translates to a more robust and reliable system that can handle even the most demanding workloads. You get PCIe 4.0 support, of course, but Asus has also gone above and beyond with the power delivery system. This thing is beefy, ensuring that your CPU gets a clean and stable flow of power, even when you're pushing it to the limit. Asus has also implemented advanced cooling solutions on this board, with strategically placed heat sinks and a comprehensive fan control system. The Prime B660 Plus D4 comes in at around $165. But for the extra power, reliability, and features that this board offers, it's a no-brainer for anyone serious about their PC performance. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick for the best motherboard under $150 is the ASRock B660M Steel Legend. This motherboard is an absolute powerhouse, offering incredible features and performance for its price. It supports both 12th and 13th Gen Intel processors, ensuring compatibility with the latest CPUs. With 4 DIMM slots for up to 128 GB of DDR4 memory, it's perfect for demanding applications. PCIe 4.0 support unleashes the full potential of your graphics card and NVMe SSDs. For around $160, it competes with boards twice its price. It's the perfect foundation for a high-performance gaming rig or creative workstation. The ASRock B660M Steel Legend is our pick for the best overall motherboard under $150. And that's a wrap. These are the top 5 budget motherboards for gaming and graphic design under $150. Prices may change, so be sure to check the latest deals before buying. Which motherboard are you picking? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And of course, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more awesome PC builds and tech tips. See you in the next one.